In this video, we are going to print colored text in terminal. There are many applications and benefits of colored text. Example, debugging. You may rapidly find and discover mistakes in your code by printing colored text, which makes debugging simpler. So let's get straight into our solution. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for Python 3.7 printout colored text. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the second one. This use case requires Colorama library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Now in this case, we want to reflect the results in the terminal. So we'll paste the code into a notepad. We'll save it as test.py. Now before going ahead, let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to import the OS module. This part of the code is to give an input between 1 to 8 as per your need. And this part of the code is to implement the color selected on the text. Now to run the code, we'll go into Anaconda prompt and give the commands so that code is executed. And you have printed colored text in terminal. You can find many more code snippets for your requirements on Kandi. The link to the Kandi is in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial and follow us to get more tutorials.